So this is the wireless smart caregiver. I'll make sure to show which one I got off of Amazon. I looked for a YouTube video before I purchased this exact product, and I couldn't find one. So I know I'm not the only person that's wondering, what do we got? So open it up. It's got, you're seeing it, this is the first time I am, so this looks like it's the deal that goes around the neck, is my guess. Yeah, I think that's exactly what this is. This is what will go around the neck, okay? And then we got, oh, there's the button. They can set up and screw in next to the bathroom or toilet or wherever you want to put that. It looks like that comes with a 3M stick device, so you can just stick that onto the wall. Then here's the chimes. See, they look a lot smaller than what they looked like on their advertisement. I've got big hands, but still, that's a lot smaller. So I'm interested to see how well they sound. There's the volume controls, it looks like. So volume up, down. I think probably to select the different chimes. We'll have to figure that out. And then, what's this? Oh, this is the button. Yeah, this is the actual button. So, yeah, okay. So that's the actual button that you'll push. And then it's got that string on that lanyard. It'll obviously go through there, and then you can wrap it around. So, okay, well, that'll be nice. So that's that. And they also give you, if you didn't want to have a lanyard, this is a sticky device, so like another grip, so you could actually just have the button stuck somewhere. And then the second receiver, it looks like. So it's got that little night light that they talk about. And some screws, and a screwdriver. And this little black thing, which I haven't read the instructions, so I don't know what this is for yet. And then the instructions. So, changing the ringtone, pairing the settings, and installation adjustment problems. Well, let me go ahead and put this on. I should point out that on the back of this thing, it's got an arrow. It says where you push up right there. So you push up, and that's how you get your little lanyard or the clip. There's no instructions to tell you that, so I've been fiddling around with it for a little bit, trying to figure out how the hell to get that on. I figured it out. I think that's the one I'll probably pick. I don't want something too nauseous. Hang on, let me see what else there is. That's weird. I pushed the button and I thought it would do it. All right, so what I figured out, you have to select the ringtone you want. While it's doing that, you have to hold down the volume button for 5 seconds. Now, the other thing that's useful to know that it doesn't really tell you much about is that the volume, it's okay. It's at the loudest setting now, it's not bad. So that's silent. That's the first setting. The second setting. Third setting. Fourth setting. And then it goes back again. I've seen several questions online if you can pair more than 2 receivers. This is in my garage. I now have a receiver in outside each bedroom upstairs. I have a receiver outside the master bedroom, and I have a receiver in the garage because we kind of tend to hang out in the garage. So this way, if she pushes a button and we're out in the garage, we know she pushed the button in the garage. And you can sync them all, and all the buttons work on the same frequency. So if you have a bigger home, you can buy a couple of them and it'll all work together.